In this video, we will discuss about plane polar coordinates and then we will derive a relation between Cartesian and polar coordinates. So let's start. Any point in a plane requires for its specification two coordinates. While these are xy in Cartesian system and they are r theta in polar coordinate system. Now let us consider a point P. The radial distance of this point P from the origin O is r vector. This is known as radius vector. This is our radius vector. And the angle theta which this radius vector makes with the x-axis is known as vectorial angle. That is vectorial angle. So this was our introduction. Now let's derive the relation between the polar coordinates and the Cartesian coordinates. Now if xy is the coordinates of the point P, then this distance, let's suppose this is q, so this is our x and this is our pq is our y. That here x is our this distance OQ and y is our PQ. This is a right angle triangle and this is theta, and we know the hypotenuse, so we have to find the base. So to find the base, let's do cos theta, which is base by hypo, and base is our OQ and hypo is our r. So hypotenuse is our r, so OQ is equals to r cos theta. So OQ will be our r cos theta. Similarly, PQ is our perpendicular, so to get the perpendicular, let's apply sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is PQ by r. So PQ will be our r sin theta. So PQ is our r sin theta. So these two give the relation between the Cartesian system and polar coordinate system, that is x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta. Now if we square these and add these, so it will be r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. We can take common r square, so it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta, which we know is 1, so r square is x square plus y square. So we can write r, that is equals to root under x square plus y square. So we got r is equals to root under x square plus y square, and r is the magnitude of this radius vector, so which is in polar coordinate. Now let's find theta. Theta in terms of x and y. So to get theta in terms of x and y, let's suppose this is one equation and this is equation 2. So if we divide 1 by 2, so we will get r sin theta by r cos theta, which is y by x. R gets cancelled, so it will be tan theta is equals to y by x. So our theta will be tan inverse y by x. So this is the relation between theta and x and y. So overall we get x is equals to r cos theta, y is equals to r sin theta. This is 1 and Another we get r is equals to root under x square plus y square, and theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So these are our relation between the polar coordinates and the Cartesian coordinate system. Thanks for watching.